Hey folks, wanted to do a quick video today and talk about my gear and how old it is. Something that maybe it's something that you may not have thought of. I know I didn't. Is the age of your gear. So one day I was looking at my motorcycle riding jacket and I had a big lump here. Now my jacket has armor in it, in the shoulders, in the elbow, and in the back. It'd be better if we take a closer look, so let me show you. Hang on just a second. So here's my motorcycle jacket. It's a Vega technical gear. I don't even think they make this jacket anymore. I've had this jacket for a better part of 10 years. And there's really no wear or tear to it. I've only worn it obviously while riding, but let me show you. There is armor here, in the elbows, and in the back. So one day I noticed on this side, on the shoulder side, that there was some, like a bulge. It didn't make sense, right? I'm gonna pull out this armor just to show you what I'm talking about. So this is a complete piece of armor. And what I found was, after opening this up, this is actually new. I just recently bought this. Let me show you what came out originally. Here's some pieces. So as you can see, this was part of the bulge. The dry rotting, just worn out. But again, 10 years old, right? Been through cold, been through lots of rain, and over time this will happen. I should have checked this sooner. And that's kind of the purpose of this video. Well, it is the purpose of this video, is how often do you check your gear? Now, obviously, like with a helmet, you can't really replace something like armor. You have to replace the whole thing. And so, do you have a jacket with armor in it? Have you replaced it, or have you checked it? But I got this set. It came with the back, the shoulders, armor. It was $30, and it was the same brand. It actually was on Amazon. It was the Vega armor, and like you can see, it's the exact same stuff. Obviously you can tell with the coloring, it's so much better. So yeah, that's what my armor looked like in my jacket. I was surprised, but I wasn't surprised. I should have been looking at something like that, and you don't think about things like that. So it's kind of the point of this video, is have you checked your gear in a while? I'm too busy thinking about, my maintenance on my bike, or, do I need, like tires, or do I need to change the oil, or whatever it may be, to really think about my gear. I guess if you don't see it in front of you, you don't really pay attention to it. Like you see your gloves are getting worn. You might see a hole at the fingertip of your glove. This got me thinking about other gear, and that's why I made a video about, trying to find a helmet. I had a helmet 10 years old. This is my Shoei Quest, and it is 10 years old. I mean, it still looks great, and I'll probably still wear it a little bit. But mainly because I had a half helmet for a while, and I used it for a while and kind of put that one on the shelf. But I did get a new helmet. This is the RF 1200. This is not really a review because I haven't had a chance to wear it. But love the graphics on it. The American flag, gray and white on each side. And awesome helmet so far. Fits great. I do have a visor coming and I'm probably going to change out my cheek pads because of this beard. That's what I had to do for that one. Standard is 35 millimeter in size. I went down to a 31, or will go down to a 31. But that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to kind of bring awareness around old stuff. I tend to keep things longer than probably most people, and not just related to gear, but my motorcycle, I'll keep it for who knows how long, until it dies, like my vehicles. Ride it till the wheels fall off. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Let me know if you have gear that you maybe forgot to check, or how often do you get new gear. Obviously I wait a long time. But yeah, leave me some comments, let me know. And I hope maybe this has made you think, well, maybe I need to look at my gear. Maybe I need to get new gear. Maybe I need to check this or that. But again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And always, rip the ride. See ya.